I'm going to be replacing the shift actuator on this Maytag Centennial washer. The first step is to unplug the washing machine from the outlet and turn the water valves off. Next, disconnect the hoses from the back of the machine. And remove the drain hose from the drain. To get at the actuator, you'll have to lay the washing machine on the floor so that you can access the bottom of the machine. Loosen the bolts that hold the belt cover in place and remove the belt cover. The actuator is this little red thing here. The first step is to unplug it from the machine, like so. Then loosen the screws that hold it in place. Next, remove the old actuator. When installing the new actuator, it is very important to get this pin into this loop here, otherwise it won't work. Install the new actuator, being sure to get the pin into the loop. Screw the new actuator into place. And plug it into the washing machine. Put the belt cover back on and bolt it in place. Once the washing machine is back on its feet, reconnect the supply hoses, being sure to connect them the right way round. Put the drain hose back in the drain and turn the water valves back on. Lastly, plug the washer back into the outlet. And now the washer should be ready to go again.